Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data and stabilizing the device. Backup photos and essential settings to Google Drive or copy to a PC. This prevents loss if you must reset. Once backed up, charge the phone above 30% and, if it's hot, enable airplane mode to stop background load. Next, force a restart by holding power for 10 to 20 seconds. Watch the screen for manufacturer logos. This clears minor firmware hangs and prepares the phone for deeper fixes. Once restarted, diagnose app versus system issues. Boot into safe mode to see if third-party apps cause crashes. If the problem disappears, uninstall the most recent or heavy apps. Make sure to clear app caches in settings to remove corrupted temporary files. If issues persist, boot to recovery mode and select Wipe Cache Partition. This removes system caches without erasing personal data. These steps resolve corrupted caches and misbehaving apps while avoiding a full factory reset, unless absolutely necessary. To finish, attempt a factory reset only after backups and failed repairs. Settings, System, Reset, erase all data. Once reset, restore your backup and reinstall apps one at a time so you can spot the culprit if issues recur. If the phone still shows battery, charging, or antenna problems, suspect hardware. Check warranty status and contact the manufacturer or an authorized repair center. Quick troubleshooting tip. If the phone won't boot at all, try a different certified charger and cable before.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.